Hello everyone and welcome back to the video. Now in this video we'll be taking a look at what to do if or when Instagram is not opening, there is an Instagram widescreen problem, or Instagram itself is not working. Now before we continue with the video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and do watch until the very end so you don't make a single mistake. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna be going into our Play Store. So right here. And what we need to make sure, and what we can do and check, is to check if Instagram needs updating. So let's go on into Instagram right here. And then as you can see, there is an update available. So if you're accessing Instagram and you haven't updated it, then make sure that you do update this. If you have already updated this and you're still having the same problem, then what you can do is go into your browser and then go and check Down Detector. So Down Detector allows you to see if your Instagram app is not currently working. So let's go ahead and search for Instagram right here and then click on Go. Now you can go ahead and check if it's to do with the app, the login to the website, or something else. Let's say it's the app. And then as you can see here, it says user reports indicate no current problems at Instagram and everything is currently working. And there you go. Those are the things that you can do to go ahead and make sure that Instagram is working again.